On today's menu, a delicious and easy recipe I can cozy up to any time of the year. An extraordinary lentil soup. Lei Hong Ma, that's how's it going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Yeung. Join me in this episode as we make something that's super delicious, super simple, and max level cozy. As always, if you enjoyed today's recipe, definitely give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin. Three to 4 pieces of garlic, finely chopped. This recipe is great for 3 to 4 portions, but of course you can multiply it to make more if you like. 1 onion, diced. You can also use a red onion or a couple of shallots if that's what you have on hand. Two carrots, diced. The carrots will add beautiful color and a natural sweetness to the soup. Do your best to chop the carrots quite small, this way they'll cook faster and basically melt into the soup. Two celery stalks, diced. Do your best to chop them small, just like the carrots. Chop 2 large russet potatoes into bite-sized cubes. In this episode, I'm using 3 small potatoes because that's just what I have on hand. One cup red lentils. Rinse and drain the lentils, then set aside. Stock pot. Medium heat. 2 teaspoons cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Fry the seeds for about 10 to 15 seconds. Onions and garlic. Sauté for 4 to 5 minutes. Carrots and celery. Sauté for another 4 to 5 minutes. Place a generous pinch of saffron into a small cup. Let it soak with about a 1/4 cup of hot water. It's always a blast to cook together here on YouTube, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. If you've been enjoying the content from the cooking show, be sure to check out or pick up your copy of one of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. There is a print or digital version of these books you can find out more information about in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. Half teaspoon chili flakes. 1 teaspoon sweet paprika. 2 teaspoons turmeric. 2 teaspoons salt. Give the pot a good stir and let those amazing flavors incorporate. Add in the potatoes, red lentils. Add in the saffron. Give the pot a good stir. Add in 2 liters or 8 cups of water. You can also use unsalted veggie stock, it's completely up to you. Give the pot a good stir, turn the heat up, and bring to a boil. When it comes to a boil, turn the heat to medium-low. Allow the soup to simmer for about 25 minutes, stirring occasionally. This is a really dainty vermicelli, different than the vermicelli we're used to using on the show as it's not made out of rice. This is more kind of like a pasta. Really delicate, really dainty, but absolutely delicious. Add in half a cup of vermicelli and give the pot a good stir. Allow the vermicelli to cook for about a minute, then turn the heat off. Plate the soup generously. This soup will be fantastic served with crispy pita chips. Garnish with some fresh lemon juice, some fresh cilantro, and a generous sprinkle of za'atar. You can now cozy up to this delicious recipe with absolute confidence. Man, the soup is just gorgeous. Wow, there were so many moving parts in there. That's definitely a party I want to attend. Visually, this soup is absolutely stunning. It has that beautiful golden glow, and it's just so alluring. Right from that first bite, you're welcomed with an incredibly comforting mix of those tender potatoes, the lentils, the celery and the carrots are just so soft and melt in your mouth. The vermicelli also has that little bit of a al dente bite. All of those amazing spices and the combination of flavors and textures just turn the soup into this warm, earthy hug. The garlic, the onions, the za'atar is incredibly savory, and that lemon juice just brightens everything up. There's a little hint of that spicy heat from the chili flakes, but it's balanced out with that natural sweetness from the carrots. Another recipe that's simple to make, weeknight friendly, meal prep friendly, max level cozy, and absolutely delicious. Like I always say, it's simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so exciting to cook at home. If you love easy, delicious recipes like me, definitely check out or pick up your copy of one of the 4 Yeung Man cooking cookbooks. There's a digital or print version of these books available in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. As always, if you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, remember to do so that we can cook together again in the next episode.